Owning a small store sounds cool until you realize you're the boss, the cashier, the cleaner, the marketing department, the HR rep, and sometimes, unfortunately, the complaint department. And let's be honest, most days you are winging it. But what if I told you there's a tool that feels like having an extra brain? A polite one that never sleeps? Look, I'm not talking about hiring someone, I'm talking about ChatGPT. And before you roll your eyes and go, oh, that for tech pros and TikTok kids, let me stop you right there. I don't care if you sell donuts, lawnmowers, antiques, or fishing bait. If you run a physical store, this tool can help you save hours, think better, and stop screaming into the void at 11 p.m. because you still haven't written your promotional sign. Small business life means making 47 macro decisions before breakfast. What should this product sign say? How do I explain our return policy without sounding passive-aggressive? How do I train a new staff member in under 15 minutes because I forgot they were starting today? You juggle it all and you survive, but what if you didn't have to do it all the hard way? ChatGPT is like that one friend who's always ready to brainstorm, write things for you, and give you ideas. Except they never ask for a paycheck, and they don't even complain when you ignore their suggestions. By the way, before we jump into the main topic, I wrote a book called Money is Dust. If you want the ebook or audiobook, the link's in the description. And if you are looking for the paperback or hardcover version, just search Money is Dust book on Amazon. Anyway, here's what ChatGPT can do to help your business. Number 1, product descriptions. What if I ask you to write a product description for this mug? You probably say something like, this mug is blue and it holds liquid. No. You came to ChatGPT and say, write a fun 2-line descriptions for a blue ceramic mug in a cozy home goods store. Boom! Now you've got something that sounds like it belongs in an anthropology window. You know that feelings when a customer asks for the 27th time, like, do you have this in red, or can I return it if my cousin doesn't like it? Yeah, your soul dies a little, but it doesn't have to. Just ask ChatGPT, write 5 friendly response template for common customer questions in my store. Now you just copy, paste, smile, done. No more rewriting, no more burnout, just smooth, happy customer service. You know that awkward 30 minutes where you try to explain the register, the opening routine, the break policy, and which map bucket is cursed? It's exhausting and messy and kinda chaotic. And the next week, you are saying it all over again. Next time, just tell ChatGPT. Write a short onboarding checklist for a part-time retail employee. Boom, checklist done. Print it, hand it over, pretend you are organized. You are not bad at writing, you are just exhausted. You've worked 12 hours, you're closing up the shop, and now you need to write an announcement, a caption, a text to 200 customers. All your brain can manage is, we are open tomorrow. Don't force it. Just drop your messy notes into ChatGPT and say, make this sound friendly and professional. Now your post sounds like a human again. Your customer feels seen, and you get to sleep. And the final one, thinking about rearranging your store, you are staring at a rack of candy like, should I move this closer to the register or by the door? You are just guessing. No data, no logic, just vibes. You don't need to guess. Just grab your phone and ask ChatGPT. It tells you, put it near the checkout. People grab stuff while waiting. Now your store layout is smarter and you look like a genius. Using AI isn't about being lazy, it's about getting unstuck. You've got a business to run, real customers, real problems, real moments. You don't need to waste time staring at a blinking cursor. Let AI take care of the stuff that drains your energy, so you can focus on what really matters. Running a great store, building a relationship, and getting home in time for dinner. Look, it's not magic. You still have to think. But now, you've got backup. Try it. Ask ChatGPT to write just one thing for you today. A sign, a message, a caption, a product name. You like, you'll tweak it, and then you realize, oh damn, I'm never doing this alone again. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe. I share real practical ways to run and grow your real world business using AI. So see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.